Well, I choose prezi next as my second presentation tool to have a presentation about study goals of the linear function. The first part is about identify. The first goal is to identify the linear function. And the second goal is graph the linear function. And in this part, I also create another part about graph calculator. And back to the main page, the last part about solve classic linear function problems. And I choose prezi next. The feature about the prezi next is that it can connect information very smoothly, and because the presentation is shown in a certain order, it means audience can have a better memory and remember the connection and orders of the content.